Right, over here today with my little brother, and we're working on my, it's an older generator, but it's a Briggs and Stratton, Terra Fixes, I'll call them Briggs and Scrapper, but it's the Elite Series. It's a 5,500 watt, but it starts up at 8,500 watts. And it's powered by a 10 horsepower Briggs and Stratton motor, which for a lot of people know that the Hondas and stuff like that, these days now, all those motors are the same. Look at this beautiful go-kart in my brother built. And it's basically the same engine, same engine. I mean, some people say, oh, that's a Korean engine or whatever like that, but nothing's made in America anymore. But they went to this design where they lay the engine down about 45 degrees. They lay it down to 45 degrees. You can see how this one is. It's laid at 45 degrees. This one laid at 45 degrees. And the problem I was having with mine was it wouldn't start. It wouldn't start. And I had it put up, but we always face this rolling blackouts. Well, my little brother checked it and everything. It was sparking, had sparking everything, and checked the spark plug on and everything like that. Well, he was saying, man, this thing is not taking the fuel into it. So after that, he did all his checks, come back to find out that the retainer, well, the adjustment, it's not the retainer, the adjustment for the intake valve had bagged out. It had bagged out. And it was letting the push rod just go through there. It wasn't doing anything. So he got it out of there, and now he's got it up to top dead center and everything. And I know nothing about these engines here. I'm used to the old Briggs and Stratton that we had that had the zero lash on. So I'm used to those that we had on the mini bikes and the go-karts. I'm not used to this newer series. I don't know. I mean, you can get in the comments and tell me what these engines are called, what series they are, but I'm not used to these. So I brought it to my little brother because I know that he knows exactly what it was. I had a feeling that maybe it was something with the valve train, but I didn't want to be all day long jerking around with it, wasting my time. And I don't know how to adjust the valves. Sure, I could have went on YouTube and seen how to do it, but I'll bring it and let my little brother do it, and I'll be okay. And so that's what I've done. So this is what it is right here. Now, as I said, he's got several of these style engines here. You see the one, if you go back in some of my videos, you'll remember that I did a video about this homemade generator that he built out of a 2 horsepower engine and a regular Delco Remy or Bosch Nippendale alternator. So you got a chain driven so it won't slip. And I go back on that, man. I mean, my little brother's a very talented guy, man. Hey, he built this damn go-kart here, man. And let's just check it out. Let's check it out. He's got it. He stroked it. He stroked the engine out, put a high compression piston in it, changed the cam to a high lift cam. He's even got this damn thing. He's even got this damn thing, man. It's got a damn oxygen sensor on it. I mean, just check it out, man. We can check his air-fuel ratio. And he's converted it to electric start. I mean, man, just look at this shit, man. I mean, hey, check this out, man. He converted it to electric start. And, man, this thing will run 80 miles an hour, flat out. It's got belt drive on it. He's got belt drive from the engine to the clutch, and then from the clutch out, he's got chain. You got to have chain drive. But man, he's been experimenting on this thing, man, changing the sprockets, the size of the sprockets and everything for that son of a gun. He's got one sprocket that's a smaller sprocket where it'll give him a whole shot, but his top end is suffering. So he's changed it around where he don't have such a whole shot, but now he has more top end. And then as you can see, he's got lights on the thing, man. I mean, he's got it legal. He's got brake lights on it. Check this out here. He's even got disc brakes in the back of this damn thing. He got disc brakes in the back of it, man. And I mean, you know, I'm not trying to go off topic, but I just want to show the skills of my little brother, man. He's talented builder. And I know you all can't forget this gorgeous Fox body here, man. I mean, you guys can't forget this Fox body. Y'all can't forget this Fox body at all, man. I mean, you can't forget it, man. I mean, let's just go back on it. Let's just go back over this Fox body. Now, he's got 2 superchargers on it, and they're off the Mercedes compressor. If you know anything about Mercedes, you know the compressor cars, they come with superchargers on them. So he didn't just go mount one of them on here. He mounted 2. He mounted 2 on there. He mounted 2 of them on there. And man, I mean, just this thing is a damn handful. He's even got rid of the 5-speed that was in it. He got rid of the 5-speed that was in it. And anybody know about Fox bodies? Know one thing about Fox bodies. They don't come with a damn 6-speed. He put a 6-speed Tremec in here. Check out his gauge part. Got his boost gauge. He got his air fuel ratio gauge, all pressure gauge. Got his tach with his shift light, and something else that he done. He went and put the Terminator X on here. He got rid of the factory computer, put the Terminator X on here. I mean, boy, you talking about a bad ass Fox body. Man, he's got a bad ass Fox body, man. This motherfucker roll, man. But just check it out, man. It's so many things that you can do. You know, like I always say, if you just get out and start doing it. You just get out and do something. But we're gonna get back to the topic at hand. So now he's adjusting the valve on it, on his intake. Like I said, I know nothing about these engines here, so I brought it to who I feel that I know is the most competent person it is. Whenever it's something that stumps me, I always call him because he is a rogue scholar. Man, he would go and tackle anything, and he's not gonna half-ass it. But out there to be adjusted too, huh? Exhaust a little loose. I figured it was. Fred might have fucked that motherfucker before I got it, man. I don't know what this would have cost me at a lawnmower shop, but I'm not worried about that. It's just the idea that I wanted my little brother because I know he know what he's doing. Lawnmower shop, I don't know, you know, the validity of the people. I don't trust many people working on my equipment, but if I'm not doing it, he's one person that I do trust. Because some people, as you know, will break your shit or charge you for parts that you don't even need. So what's the setting on them, little bro?
Anywhere from 3 to 5.
So the setting on the intake and exhaust valves are anywhere from 3 to 5 thousandths.
Yep.
Okay. So you adjust them both at top dead center
On compression stroke.
on a compression stroke. Okay. Yeah, that's good. You got it right. And that's where that damn cover goes. And I left it.
Loctite on it.
Huh?
I put Loctite on it.
No,
It did.
they did? Why they did that?
I don't know.
That's how we know somebody had been in there.
It's all in the groove.
Huh?
It's all in the groove.
Oh man. So remember, when you're adjusting your valves, top dead center on a compression stroke, 3 to 5 thousandths. Damn propane heater really doing this job. You gotta tap them out, little bro?